Pac-Man, look at this. I think almost every American is familiar with Pac-Man. All right, so I'm really excited today. I'm gonna introduce you guys to something called gacha gacha or gashapon. In Japan, this is extremely popular, especially for kids, but actually adults collect these too. It's like, you know, some adults like to go to different Starbucks, it's like tumblers and all sorts of other stuff, or even adults collect these type of items, okay? So they're like capsule toys, and we're gonna go inside and check out. This is a very famous capsule toy shop in Gion. The biggest one in Kyoto is in a place called Vest, near Kyoto Station. Let's go check out some of what they have involved. There's all sorts of weird stuff. This is, This is Chibi Maruko. I'm not familiar with this. I was just told what it is. Anyways, they have all sorts of weird different styles here. We're gonna go inside and take a closer look. Here you can get a bullet train type, airplane type. Oh, look at this one. Now this is really interesting. This is like a police tactical type. Let's see what else we got here. Pac-Man, look at this. I think almost every American is familiar with Pac-Man. We got Peanuts down here, right? Charlie Brown. Obviously very Japanese ones here. Well, this is like a drastic, no, like a dinosaur type? I don't know what type this is. Dangomushi, I'm not sure what that is. Dangomushiって何ですか? So some of the stuff, to be honest, we both don't know what they all are, but anyway, there's many different types here. Is this like, yeah, Dragon Ball, that's what I thought. I just confirmed. Yes, it's Dragon Ball. It's a very famous cartoon character. Oh, here's another one. Justice League. That's another famous cartoon. What was the one we saw the other day? The Biru no Yatsu wa? This one's kind of fun. Here we got. There was one we saw. Oh, here we go. Check this out. They have one for, look at this keg of beers. Like, I'm a beer drinker, so we're going to get that one. So, if you need money, guys, you go in here and you put your money in the machine. And just take a 1,000 yen note. You put it here. Now we got some coins. We're gonna go ahead and buy a few. We're gonna buy 3, 4, or 5 of them. We haven't decided how many. Maybe we need more coins then. Let's see here. Yeah, I think we do need. Let's get one more set of coins here. Okay. It's really funny. 24 years in Japan, I've never actually bought one of these. I've seen them 100 million times, but I've never actually personally bought one. But I decided for this video to go ahead and give this a go. Doing this YouTube channel taught me to try new things. Okay, let's check this out. All right, so we put the money in. So yeah, we put it in here. So you put your 300 yen. We're gonna get that one. Okay, put this in my pocket. Let's just go ahead and take a scroll around. Oh, look at this. Bread. You can get a bread one. That's pretty funny, actually. All right, here we go. Let's see. So it's 300 yen each, so roughly $3 per one. Let's see, what's this one? This one is, this is a timer. So like when you order you order food in restaurants all the time, they you know, like these little fast food courts, you get a timer. They give you this little timer and it beeps when your order's ready. That's really funny. なんか特に欲しいものある? I'm asking if she wants which one she wants here. Ninja? Oh, there's a ninja one. Look at that. Where's the ninja ones? It looks like it's just maybe decorations. Do they have a ninja one here? I don't see ninja one. No, it looks like it's just decorations. All right, let's go buy the bread. Let's go buy the bread one.
And then we'll go back the better one, and then we'll look. Oh, wow, there's other ones over here too. Oh, soup. Let's go ahead and get the soup. This one's more expensive. This one's 400 yen. Oh. Let's get it anyway. 400 yen for this one. So this one's $4. Look at that one. And here you turn the knob, and it comes out. Now the reason why they call this gacha gacha, which is like a noise, right? Gacha gacha is like a noise. It's because watch this. Listen to the noise it makes when it turns. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. So that's why they call it that. Okay, so we got 3 of these, and now we're gonna head off to the park, and we're gonna open these right in front of you on the video. Okay, so we're sitting in Maruyama Park, or Maruyama Koen in Japanese, Maruyama. It is one of the most famous parks in all of Japan, and it's like the most famous one in Kyoto. So when you ever visit Kyoto, you absolutely come to check this place out. It's a lot of fun. But this video is not about Maruyama Park. It's about these toys. Now, this has been really embarrassing, funny story about this. You know, I've been in Japan 25 years, and I always thought it was called gacha gacha, which is like kind of the rattling sound noise, right? Or gashamon's another name for it, because of the rattle it makes when you shake it like this. But as we were making the video, I was informed that no, Chris, no, that is not why. It's because of that noise that it turns. I showed you guys last video. That is why it's called gacha gacha, because it makes that turning noise. All right, so we're gonna open up this first one right here. Let's open up and see what it is. It opens up very easily. And this is the first time I remember doing this, guys. I mean, I've been in Japan. I'm not really super into these type of things, but this is a video about Japan, so I'm gonna show you guys everything I can. So this is a little miso soup, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this by my desk at my home office. It's actually kind of cute. This is oh wow, interesting. It's a little explanation about how to make miso soup and how to make this one. Interesting. Okay, so now this is actually educational too at the same time. There's a little explanation how to make the soup. All right, next one. Okay, opening this one up. And here we go. This is more down my alley. The beer. Hard to open, so I'm gonna use my mouth here. Wow, very hard to open. Oh, there we go, got it. All right, so, hold on, give me 1 second here. These are not easy to open, but we got to look at this, little beer bottles here. These little beer bottles. You can take a look at what the beer bottles look like. This is actually, to be honest, more interesting than I thought it was going to be. Now I start to understand why kids and even some adults actually collect this stuff. Maybe I'm going to pick up a new hobby. Although considering each one of them, this thing was $3. $300? It was $3. Kind of an expensive hobby if you ask me for these little toys. But anyway, okay, let's take a look at this here. Oh, this is a little explanation about how beer is made, and let's see here. So, beer servers. Oh, the different types of servers, how the beer is served. My bad. This is the explanation here, how different ways the beer can be served. Yeah, this is actually a lot more interesting than I thought it was going to be. We were walking down the street here the other day, and we saw that shop. He said, "You know what, Chris?" I said, "Never done that. I should come back another day." I didn't have all my equipment to shoot a video at the time, and come back and shoot a video. And here we got bread. Are you gonna be eating this bread tonight? You want this for dinner? No, she doesn't want it for dinner. I guess not. Okay. How about I try it? You want to try? No thanks. Okay. Here's what the bread looks like. Don't worry, we'll pick up the trash here in a second. Okay. All right, one of the plastics flew away there. And here we go, where's the bread explanation? Here we go. So there's a little more to this than I thought. All right, here. Oh, here we go. So now it explains, it's got a loaf there. It's got 6 slices and then 2 loaves. So it's explaining how the different bread sizes come. All right, so this was actually interesting. We only bought 3. I'm kind of disappointed. We should have bought more now that I'm looking back on it. All right, so if you're enjoying this content, please subscribe to this video. Subscribe to my channel. It really helped me out a lot. I really want to grow this channel big, and every subscription shows YouTube that this is a great channel. So please do me a favor and subscribe and check out my other videos. If there's something you want to learn about, something you want to see about in Japan, I'm happy to bring those type of videos to you guys. So comment below, or gals, excuse me, and comment below in the comments. Say, Chris, I want to see a video on this, and we'll get a video going on that. And cheers, we'll see you in the next video.